good. The fucking idiot.
He's an incredible idiot, but he's also the son of an incredible idiot.
The apple does not fall
In my life
far from the bush.
experiences, I think incredible idiots are kind of cool guys.
I feel a structured argument.
Kind of cool guys.
And
I will second kind of cool guys.
I second that emotion.
That's it.
That's what Smokey says. And
So what makes me a fucking idiot?
Well, what no.
Carson, why do you have to go counter away?
It would be a much shorter story.
Yeah. We don't have all night.
Now you challenged me.
Yeah. We're snowed in. We got a long way to go. It may take a couple of months.
I'll just give you guys a couple of things. I am actually, I'll get two things.
Surprised he has such good friends.
I'm actually,
Oh, lucky hat!
yeah, well,
The hat's off. The hat's off is now all
I'm
game.
actually impressed with two things. One, I dearly love my son. He's grown up to be actually a pretty good guy.
Yeah, he's okay.
And,
Sure.
Number two,
Carson's a good
Agree
guy.
to disagree.
He's a good guy.
number two, I'm very favorably impressed by the people who came here tonight and this weekend
Agree to agree.
to be with him.
Hey, no, pretty
Yeah, that cheers us.
Guys,
Hey, no. Except for Kaz.
one-
Kaz, you're pretty quick.
this one I've known
Like,
since
who
he
brought
was
that guy?
5 years old.
We just give him around for diversity.
Yeah. Just here for the diversity.
But I really am impressed with all you guys.
Cool,
And as
thank
I
you.
told my wife of 41 years, when she said, "How's it going?" I said, "It's pretty good." What are her shits like? They're nice. She just don't shit.
Carson's friends.
I'm not Orr, I haven't known any of them. And judging by Orr,
I'm the one with the dreads and the...
So he asked me to say something. So in the course
To Carson Sr. and Carson Jr., man.
No,
yeah,
yeah.
well, we are
Carson
something.
squared.
The course of human events. People pass through a lot of things in life. All of us have. And my buddy here is my buddy. And I'm proud to
Alright, I'm
be
gonna
here
start
tonight. And I'm proud
Hi, dude, do it.
to
Okay, you can try it,
be player here. And I'm delighted that you guys have accepted me as one of you.
Cool.
I mean, my goal in life is to be Matt.
Are you sure? Can you? You got to a lot more than that.
You know, Matt and I've gotten to know each other.
200 more pounds, you're good to go.
Kevin and Catherine getting married, but here's the one thing. I'll shut up. When we met Lisa, we meaning my family, we sat down, and I think it was in Annapolis in a nice restaurant, and the whole thing was.
How do you reel that in?
No, that was A. If she cuts you loose, we're keeping her.
Yeah. I love Lisa too.
Probably a good idea to trade up.
Thank you guys for letting me come here and be with you.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thanks for joining us.
I want to thank Carson Jr. for teaching me the Western trip.
Okay.
I'm gonna take St. Cas.
Yeah.
Coming at 11th hour.